eBay is an American multinational e-commerce company based in San Jose, California that facilitates consumer to consumer and business to consumer sales through in website. eBay was founded by Pair in 1995 and become a notable success story of the dot-com bubble. eBay is a multi-billion dollar business with operation in about 32 countries as of 2019. The companies manage the eBay website and online auction and shopping websites in which people and business buy and sell a wide varieties of goods and services worldwide. The website is free to use for buyer but seller are charges fees of our listing items after a limited number of free listing and additional and separate fee for those items are sold. In additional eBay original auction style sales, the website has evolved and expanded to include is instant buy it no shopping by universal product co ISBN or other kind of SQ number and other services. eBay previously offered online money transfer as a part of service. Online classified advertisement and online event tickets trading. On July 25, 2018, eBay announced a new partnership with PayPal, Apple, and Square in place of its long-time payment partner PayPal. The auction website was founded in California on September by French-born Iranian American computer program Peer has a part of large personal site. One of the first items sold on auction website, a Brock laser pointer for $14.83. Peer contacted the winning bidder to ask if they understood that laser pointer was broken. The buyer explained, I am calculator of broken laser pointer. It soon became the first online auction site allowing person to person transaction and its popular boomed. Reportedly, eBay was simple a hobby for the currently the internet services provide informed him he would need to upgrade to a business account due to his high website traffic. The monthly price increased from $30 to $250 promoted him started charging eBay users who continue to use the site. Chris was eBay's first employer. He proceeded mild check payments. Jeff Skoll was hired as a first new president of the company in early 1996. In November 1996, the e-commerce platform entered into the first third-party license deal with company called Electronic Travel Auction to use smart market technology to sell plane tickets and other traveler products. Growth was phenomenal from 25000 auction during all of 1996 to 2 million in January 1996 along the company official charges the name of its service from auction to eBay in September 1997. After eBay Technology Group Consulting shorted it eBay.com in 1997, the company received $6.7 million in funding from the venture capital of Benchmark Capital. The frequently repeated story that eBay was founded to help finance trade peace candy dispensers was in 1997 by public market. The peace dispensers generated enormous publicity and lead to explore early growth among the calculates. The leaders in the toy category quickly become Benny Babies, manufactured by TY, the most difficult toy to find in retail stores as collectors internationally were typing complete their collection of Benny Babies. TY set up the first business to consumer website a secondary market online trade post where people could trade their bunny babies. However, it was overwhelmed with unshortable listing, creating urgent demand for a more efficient online trading system. Bunny babies quickly become a dominant product on eBay, accounting for a 10%